Hi you guys, welcome back to Startup Wise. This is Mar, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 tools you must learn how to use if you want to become a virtual assistant this year. Alright, so if you want to land remote jobs in 2026, you need to understand that knowing random skills is not enough anymore. In 2026, we have access to so many different tools, and you need to know how to navigate correctly different platforms and tools if you want to stand up and you want to land a good offer. Because here's the truth, clients are not going to hire you because of what you know or what you can do. There's a lot of people out there that have the same skill set as you. Clients nowadays are going to hire freelancers and virtual assistants because of what they can bring to the table and what they can do to better their system and to upgrade what they are already doing inside their job. Over the last 6 years, I have had the amazing opportunity of working with clients in different parts of the world. And if there's one thing I have learned over this past few years is that clients do not hire you because of how well you know how to do something. They hire you because how well you sell yourself to them, but also because of your skill set. If you're comfortable and you are confident enough on what you know and what you can do for someone else, the energy automatically changes and there's a big shift in an interview. So just make sure before we jump into the 5 tools that I'm going to share with you today that you integrate them into your life and you don't go into an interview simply talking bluff. You need to be confident in what you know, and that's exactly what's going to get you high-paying clients this 2026. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. The first tool we're going to talk about are going to be project management tools. These are going to be the platforms where companies keep everything together and organized. Some examples are Trello, ClickUp, Asana. These are tools that are going to allow you to stay organized while working for a company and also are going to help the company keep their things together and running smoothly. There's one truth, and I want to be super honest with you guys. If you do not know how to use project management tools in 2026, you are a little bit behind. These tools are nowadays used by pretty much every single company. It doesn't matter if you're working remotely or in office, you do need to know how to use project management if you want to stand out in an industry that is so saturated. Something you can do is to start using these platforms for yourself. They have free versions that you can start with, or you can also do the investment and get these platforms so you can start learning how to navigate them and how to use them for yourself. Think of ClickUp, for example. You can start using ClickUp for your personal brand, for your own personal agenda, your day-to-day workflow, and you're gonna see how easy and amazing it's going to be for you. But not only that, you're gonna realize that you're slowly learning and becoming a high valuable VA. Number 2 is going to be a communications tool. That can be Slack, WhatsApp for business, Gmail, whatever platform that you know, it's going to be a plus. Because remember, if you're working remotely, companies need to talk to you. You need to talk to your boss, to your project managers, to the different people that are around you all the time, even if it's not in the same place. Slack is one of the best platforms and it's kind of like the messages app that companies use the most nowadays. It allows you to send messages, videos, assign deadlines, even give people tasks. You can even create huddles. These are places where you can talk to your bosses, to your managers, have conversations, and obviously come up with ideas and game plans to become better as a virtual assistant or whatever it is that you're doing for a company. Tool number 3 obviously is going to be Canva. You guys know that we talk about Canva all the time in the channel. It's one of the most important design platforms nowadays. Canva allows you to make social media posts, graphic designs, PDF, presentations, documents, TikToks, Reels. Nowadays, you can do everything on Canva without having to be a professional graphic designer. You can do so many things, and if you don't have experience right now, you can just simply go ahead, download Canva, create an account, and start playing around. Take a brand that you like, for example. Let's say that you really like makeup and you have a product or a brand that you admire a lot. Use Canva to organize yourself and to start designing things for that brand that you admire. Right now, it might not be a possibility for you to work with that brand, but if you start working on it and manifesting it into life and practicing, maybe that can open amazing doors for you in the future. And Canva is super user-friendly and it allows you to create amazing things without having to be an expert. Tool number 4 is going to be anything organization. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a full believer that the more organized you are, the more successful you can be as a virtual assistant. Because think of this, entrepreneurs have a million things going on during the day, and they need you to focus on organizing their day-to-day life. So if you're able to be an organized person, they are going to appreciate that, and that's going to get you more chances of growing as a VA. So there's so many different organization tools. Google Drive in the Google universe is one of the most known ones. Become an expert in the Google workspace. That includes Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Meet, Google Calendar. If you learn how to use them correctly and you learn how to organize folders, how to upload forms, how to organize images and pictures for the company that you're working for, even contracts using Google Workspace, you can come into an interview and tell a brand that you're able to take their business to the next level because you're organized enough and because you know how to use all these tools in a proper way. And last but not least, you guys, it's going to be AI. If you learn how to use AI correctly, trust me, you're a valuable asset for any companies. And AI nowadays is not only ChatGPT. Think of Notion, Zapier, and also Gemini, which is the new AI that Google created. And instead of being scared that AI might take your job away from you, be grateful and learn how to use it so it can take your career to the next level. If you guys focus on learning these 5 tools today, trust me, you're going to take your virtual assistant journey to the next level and you're going to be ahead of the competition by 80%. Because again, in 2026, clients and entrepreneurs are not hiring skill sets. They're hiring efficiency and how quickly you can adapt to their business model. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you got some value from it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Startup Wise. We post videos almost every single day, helping you guys navigate in your entrepreneurial journey, in your virtual assistant journey, and also giving you tips that are going to take your career to the next level. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment them and subscribe down below. I'll see you in the next one.